In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Jira platform at benzluisarlos@Atlassian.net to set up a project efficiently. This step-by-step guide is designed to offer a comprehensive understanding of creating, customizing, and managing your project effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the Jira section labeled For You. This is your personalized dashboard that will provide a quick overview of projects and any relevant updates. To access it, simply go to the specified URL and it should land you directly on that page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where all your main navigation will begin. It is important to really feel at home here because this section will keep you updated with everything you need to know about your projects. Once you're comfortable, your next action is to click on Create Project. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the dashboard. By clicking here, you initiate the setup for a new project, which is the first major step towards structuring your tasks and ideas in an organized way. Remember, this option sets the foundation, so consider the scope and objectives of your project as you proceed. Taking a moment to envision the results you want can really guide your setup choices. Next, you'll need to click on Product Management. This selection is essential as it provides you with tools specifically curated for managing and progressing with your project plan. This section is basically like choosing an environment tailored for product and project management excellence. Imagine it as your project command center. Afterward, continue by selecting Product Discovery. Clicking on this option will grant you access to templates and strategies that can aid in brainstorming and organizing your ideas effectively. The resources available here are invaluable for ensuring your project covers all necessary angles from the start. Think of it as setting a strong foundation for your success. With that done, choose the specific project setup that aligns best with your needs by selecting the one you want. This might be determined by your project's goals, team size, or preferred methodology. Be sure to review your options carefully before making a selection. It's like picking the best tool for the job. It makes everything smoother. Following your selection, click on Try this template. This step involves previewing a template to ensure it meets your requirements. Templates are useful for providing a structured framework and include various features to streamline your setup process. Take your time to explore what each template offers and imagine how it can serve your project efficiently. Once you've decided, the next step involves clicking Next. This will guide you through additional settings and configurations, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your project intentions. It's sort of like checking the ingredients for a recipe, ensuring you've got everything you need lined up. Now, it's time to select your view. Here, you have the flexibility to choose how you want to visualize your project. There are various view options available, so pick the one that enhances your workflow and understanding, whether it's a list, board, or timeline. Choose what feels intuitive to you and your team, making navigation easy and insightful. Finally, to wrap up, you'll want to click on Get Started. This marks the completion of your setup process.